Hello students. Next example. Let A equal to 2 minus 3 1 0 minus 4 1 5 minus 2 3 minus 1 0 minus 4 minus 2 7 minus 1 and B equal to 6 4 minus 2 1 minus 3 7 minus 1 3 5 2. Find AB using the partition matrices as shown. Let A equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 and B equal to B1, B2. Therefore, A into B equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 into B1, B2, which is equal to A11, B1 plus A12, B2. Next entry is A21, B1 plus A22, B2. First find A11, B1 plus A12, B2 equal to 2 minus 3 1 1 5 minus 2 into B1 is 6 4 minus 2 1 minus 3 7 plus A12 is 0 minus 4 3 minus 1 B2 is minus 1 3 5 2, which is equal to multiplication of these two matrices is 15 12 2 minus 5 and this 2 is minus 20 minus 8 7. At these two matrices we get minus 5 4 minus 6 2. Similarly, A21 B1 plus A22 B2 is A21 is 0 minus 4 minus 2, B1 is 6 4 minus 2 1 minus 3 7 plus A22 is 7 minus 1, B2 is minus 1 3 5 2, which is equal to multiplication of these two matrices is 14 minus 18 plus these two matrices is minus 12 19. Add these two matrices we get 2 1. Therefore, A into B equal to first is A11 B1 plus A12 B2. Second entry is A21 B1 plus A22 B2, which is equal to A11 B1 plus A12 B2 is minus 5 4 minus 6 2. A21 B1 plus A22 B2 is 2 1. So, A into B equal to minus 5 4 minus 6 2 2 1. Next theorem, column row expansion of A into B. If A is m by n and B is n by P matrix, then A into B equal to C1 of A, C2 of A and so on, Cn of A into R1 of B, R2 of B and so on, Rn of B equal to C1 of A into R1 of B plus C2 of A into R2 of B plus and so on plus Cn of A into Rn of B. Next, let A equal to 2 by 2 matrix A11, A12, 0, A22 be a block upper triangular matrix. Let A11 be a P by P matrix and A22 be a Q by Q matrix and A is invertible matrix, then A inverse equal to A11, A12, 0, A22 inverse equal to A11 inverse minus A11 inverse into A12 into A22 inverse 0 A22 inverse. Next example, without using row reduction, find the inverse of matrix the following matrix where A equal to 1 2 0 0 0 3 5 0 0 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 0 0 7 8 0 0 0 5 6. To find A inverse, the given matrix A is of the form A equal to A11, A12, 0, A22, where A11 is 3 by 3 matrix, A22 is 2 by 2 matrix, and hence using the above formula, which formula? This formula, we get A inverse equal to A11 inverse minus A11 inverse A12 into A22 inverse 0 A22 inverse. A11 inverse equal to, when we finding inverse of 3 by 3 matrix, we get minus 5 2 0 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1 2 and A22 inverse equal to 1 upon 2 6 minus 8 minus 5 7. This is your exercise to finding A11 inverse, A22 inverse. and A12 is 0 matrix, therefore minus A11 inverse A12 into A22 inverse equal to 0. Therefore A inverse equal to, first A11 inverse is minus 5 2 0 3 minus 1 0 0 0 1 half. Next entry 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is also 0 0 0 0 0 0. Next entry is A22 inverse 3 minus 4 minus 5 by 2 7 by 2. Next example, first verify that A square equal to I where A equal to 103 minus 1. Next, use partition matrices to show that M square equal to identity where M equal to 103 minus 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 3 1. Next example is, if the inverse of I0 0 CI0 ABI is I0 0 ZI0 XYI, then find XY and Z. Inverse of this is, this means this 2 multiply gives identity matrix. Then it is easy to find X, Y and Z by comparing the entries of multiplication of these two matrix corresponding to entries of identity matrix. And next example, show that I0 AI is invertible and find its inverse. These three examples are nothing but your exercise. Next point is matrix factorization or LU decomposition. LU decomposition is, let A be an M-by-N matrix that can be row reduced to echelon form without row interchanges. Without row interchanges, then A can be written as, just a minute, A can be written as A equal to L into U, where L is an M by M lower triangular matrix with ones on the diagonal. Underline this, ones on the diagonal, and U is an M by N echelon form of A. A equal to 100 star 100 star star 10 star 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 1. Star may be any entry of this matrix, and these entries are always 0 because L is lower triangular and U is M by N echelon form of A. This entry are any entry, may be 1, 2, 3 and so on, and these are the star entries, but below the diagonal entries are always 0. Therefore A equal to L into U. Suppose we want to solve A into X equal to B, put A equal to L into U in this matrix equation. Therefore A into X equal to L into U into X equal to L into U into X equal to B. Let Y equal to U into X. Therefore we can find X by solving a pair of equation Ly equal to B, Ux equal to Y. First solve L into Y equal to B for Y, and then solve U into X equal to Y for X. First solve L into Y equal to B, and then we get value of Y, and then solve U into X equal to Y by putting the value of Y which are getting here, and then find X. Now LU factorization algorithm. Suppose matrix A is reduced to an echelon form using the row operations k into Ri and or Ri plus k into Rj only. Let E1, E2 and so on EP be the corresponding elementary matrices such that EP into EP minus 1 and so on E2 into E1 into A equal to U. Then A equal to EP into EP minus 1 and so on E2 E1 inverse into U equal to L into U. where L equal to EP, EP minus 1 and so on, E to E1. Relation of these two matrices in between multiplication. The following steps results in LU factorization of matrix A. First, reduce A to echelon form U by a sequence of row replacement operations Rij and or Ri plus Rj if possible. Second, place entries in L such that the same sequence of operations reduces L to I. Next example, find the LU factorization of matrix B given below. B equal to 3 minus 6 3, 6 minus 7 2, minus 1 7 0. First, reduced B matrix into row echelon form by using row operations given B equal to 3 minus 6 3, 6 minus 7 2, minus 1 7 0. First row operation is R2 minus 2 R1 and 3 R3 plus R1. First row as it is 3 minus 6 3. Second and third row becomes 0 5 minus 4 0 15 3. Next row operation is R3 upon 3. First two row as it is 3 minus 6 3, 0 5 minus 4 0 5 1. Next row operation is R3 minus R2. We get first two row as it is 3 minus 6 3, 0 5 minus 4 and third row become 0 0 5, and this is nothing but your capital U, upper triangular. Now to finding a lower triangular, from above reduction means this reduction, we get 3 pivot columns. First 2 3, this is nothing but the pivot entries, and corresponding columns of that pivot entries are nothing but the pivot columns, means first pivot column, second pivot column, third pivot column. Therefore, for first pivot column 3, now write down first column 3 6 minus 1, 3 6 minus 1. Second pivot entry is 5 5 5, 0 5 5, and third pivot entry is this, means first two entries are 0 and last entry is 5. Here observe that first entry here, so below entry of 3 are 6 minus 1. Next entry, pivot entry is this 5, so below entry is 5, and next is this 5, and above entries are 0. Now divide first pivot column by 3, second pivot column by 5 and third pivot column by 5, because in lower triangular matrix in LU factorization we have the diagonal entries are nothing but the 1. That's why here we divided 3 5 5 divided by 3 5 5. So lower triangular becomes, first column is, when we divided by 3 we get 1 2 minus 1 upon 3. Second column is 0 1 1 divided by 5, and third column is 0 0 1. So this is nothing but your lower triangular. Therefore A equal to L into U, which is equal to L is 1 0 0 2 1 0 minus 1 upon 3 1 1, and U is 3 minus 6 3, 0 5 minus 4 0 0 5. When we multiply these two matrices, we get, B equal to L into U, we get original matrix B, and if it is not equal to B, means definitely you are doing some mistake to finding in L and U. This is your hint to check your answer. Next example, Find an LU decomposition of the matrix A given below. A equal to 1 4 minus 1 5 3 7 minus 2 9 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 4 minus 1 6 minus 1 7. First given matrix is A equal to 1 4 minus 1 5 3 7 minus 2 9 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 4 minus 1 6 minus 1 7. Now reduced it into row echelon form by using suitable row operations. First row operation is R2 minus 3 R1, R3 plus 2 R1, R4 plus R1. We get first row as it is. Second, third and fourth row becomes 0, minus 5, 1, minus 6, 0, 5, minus 1, 6, 0, 10, minus 2, 12. Next row operation is R3 plus R2, R4 plus 2 R2. We get first two row as it is, 1 4 minus 1 5, 0 minus 5 1 minus 6. Third and fourth row becomes 0 0 0 0 0 0. This is nothing but your upper triangular matrix. Now to finding a lower triangular matrix, first observe that pivot entries. First pivot entry is 1, second pivot entry is minus 5. Only 2 pivot entries in U and their corresponding columns are nothing but the pivot columns. So pivot columns are, first pivot entry is 1, means first pivot column is 1 3 minus 2 minus 1. 1 3 minus 2 minus 1. And second pivot entry is minus 5, means first entry is 0, second entry is minus 5, minus 5 5 10, minus 5 5 10. नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायचं, पायवट एंट्री 1 मायनस 5 आहे ना, मग 1ची खालची एंट्री जी आहे ती ओरिजिनल मॅट्रिक्सचा फर्स्ट जो कॉलम असतो तो राईट करायचा आणि सेकंड पायवट एंट्री जी -5 दिसते त्याच्या वरचा जो मॅट्रिक्स असतो तो तुमचा सेकंड पायवट कॉलम असतो, पण फर्स्ट एंट्री ही नेहमी 0 लिहायची सेकंड पायवट एंट्रीची. सपोज तुमची सेकंड पायवट एंट्री इथं असेल आणि इथे तुमची पायवट एंट्री नसेल तर फर्स्ट 2 एंट्रीज काय लिहिणार तुम्ही 0 आणि नेक्स्ट एंट्री सिमिलरली जे तुम्ही याच्यासाठी करतायत ते करणार आहे, मीन्स 0 -5 5 10. आता आपल्याला लोअर ट्रायंग्युलर हा आयडेंटिटीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे कारण आपल्याला तेच सांगितलेलं आहे. इथं आपल्याला फक्त 2च पायवट कॉलम भेटले, आपल्याला आता थर्ड आणि फोर्थ पायवट कॉलम राईट करायचे आहेत. ते काय तुमचे 0 0 नेक्स्ट 0, कारण पायवट एंट्री नाही आहे म्हणून 0 0. पण लोअर ट्रायंग्युलर राईट करण्यासाठी ही फर्स्ट आयडेंटिटी आहे, मग 1नीच डिवाइड करणार. याला आपल्याला आयडेंटिटीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे तर -5नी डिवाइड करायचं. तर लोअर ट्रायंग्युलरमधला फर्स्ट कॉलम काय येईल तुमचा 1 3 -2 -1. सेकंड काय येईल 0 1 -1 -2. आता लोअर ट्रायंग्युलर आपल्याला आयडेंटिटीमध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आहे म्हणजे डायगोनल एंट्रीज लोअर ट्रायंग्युलरच्या नेहमी काय असतात 1 असतात, पण इथं तुम्हाला 0 0 दिसत आहेत. पण राईट करताना एलमध्ये ते आपण 1 राईट करणार आहे. 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. हा काय झालं तुमचा लोअर ट्रायंग्युलर. So this is your upper triangular and this is your lower triangular. Therefore A equal to L into U, where L is 1 3 -2 -1 0 1 -1 2 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Next into U is 1 4 -1 5 0 -5 1 -6 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. And when we multiply these two matrix we get A, original matrix. So here we stop.